Why does JavaScript division by zero return infinity? Have you ever wondered what happens when you divide a number by zero in JavaScript? It might surprise you to learn that instead of throwing an error, JavaScript returns infinity or negative infinity. This behavior is rooted in the way JavaScript handles numbers, specifically following the IEEE 750 for standard 4 floating-point arithmetic. When you divide a non-zero number by zero, JavaScript produces a signed infinity value. If the number you are dividing is positive, like 10 divided by 0, you get positive infinity. Conversely, if you divide a negative number, such as negative 10 by 0, you receive negative infinity. This design choice allows for smoother calculations without abruptly stopping your code execution. Imagine you are working on a mathematical algorithm. If division by zero resulted in an error, it could halt your program. Instead, returning infinity can be useful in many scenarios where infinity is a meaningful result. However, this behavior only applies to the number type in JavaScript. The newer bigint type, which is designed for very large integers, does not follow the same rules. If you attempt to divide a bigint by zero, JavaScript throws a runtime range error. This distinction is important for developers to keep in mind, especially when working with arithmetic operators. When using regular numbers, remember that division by zero will yield either infinity or negative infinity. But with bigints, you must avoid dividing by zero altogether to prevent runtime errors. Always check if your divisor is zero before performing the division. This understanding of how JavaScript handles division by zero is essential for anyone mastering JavaScript's core concepts. It helps you write more robust code and handle user inputs effectively. So next time you find yourself dividing by zero, remember that JavaScript has its own way of dealing with it, and it can be quite handy in certain situations.